and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Suchitra Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Supreme Court to resume hearing on audio tape allegedly linked to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren tomorrow. Imphal West DC Mayanglambam Rajkumar says society will progress when students perform their tasks diligently. Mission Transformation of Government Schools organizes 4th MTGS competition 2025 for 2,694 students of government schools in Manipur. And Sub-Inspector Puritsabam Romibala of Jiribam District Police conferred with Kendriya Grihamantri Dakshata Parak 2025 in recognition of her contributions in criminal investigation. And now the news in detail. Supreme Court will resume the hearing on writ petition concerning the alleged audio tape purportedly featuring the voice of ex-Chief Minister N. Biren tomorrow. The court is scheduled to resume hearings on November 3 of 2025 in writ petition civil number 702 of 2024, Kuki Liberation for Human Rights Trust versus Union of India and another, listed before court number 13 as item number 31. The controversy stems from the prolonged and inconclusive handling of the tape by national forensic agencies. The Central Forensic Science Laboratory, CFSL, spent nearly 5 months examining the recording, only to later declare that it was not in a position to verify the authenticity. On August 27, 2025, the Supreme Court directed that the audio material be sent to the NFSL Gandhinagar with 2 specific instructions designed to prevent further procedural lapses. 1, to determine whether the audio clips were edited, modified, or tampered with, and to categorically state whether the voice in the disputed clips matches the admitted voice sample, confirming whether the same person spoke in all the recordings. The bench of Justices Arvind Kumar and P.V. Sanjay Kumar also instructed that the recordings, admitted sample, and questionnaire be forwarded within 1 week, and that the NFSL must submit its report to the court in a sealed cover case within 6 weeks. The case was initiated by the Kuki Liberation for Human Rights Trust, KOHUR, which seeks an independent probe into the audio evidence. The group has accused government forensic agencies of bias and inaction, pointing to the CFSL's earlier failure to produce clear results after 4 months of testing. Imphal West Deputy Commissioner Mayanglambam Rajkumar emphasized that the society will progress when students perform their tasks effectively. He was speaking as the chief guest at the 4th state-level Maths and Science Olympiad 2025 felicitation ceremony for successful candidates in NEET UG 2025 at the Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Hall, Palace Compound, Imphal. The event, organized by Edu Trust Kota Coaching Center, was also attended by Head of the Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Professor Chinglin Maisnam, Medical Superintendent of Jenims, Dr. Lokeshwar, and Managing Director of EduTech Learning Solutions Private Limited, Leimapokpam Mani Mohon. Speaking further, Rajkumar underlined the crucial role of students in the society and urged them to fulfill their responsibilities. He also stressed the importance of professionalism, adaptability, and dedication in one's career, advising students to develop these qualities from an early age.
Yes. Lots of pressure. Parents na ngayon sila yung nangi peers and nangi colleagues, nangi friends, Madi and exam pass over. So what the Nandikari Soto, okay, so no, the Sugumo Wakalonsi, Lapaga, district administration, and the proper authorities, parents, what is Magadoni, my father, Mama Baba City, no higher Zunam Gadoni, so yes, as a lady might obey.
Mission Transformation of Government Schools (MTGS) organized 4th MTGS competition 2025 for Bisnupur district at Ningthaukhong Higher Secondary School today. Speaking on the sidelines, MTGS Vice President Sagolsem Amarjit asserted that the event was organized with the aim to foster the academic performance of government schools. He added that as many as 2,694 students from various schools of the state, including 326 government school students from Bisnupur district, were participating in the mathematics, general knowledge, English and mental aptitude competitions held in different venues in various districts. Fourth state-level MTGS competition for Thoubal district was also held today in Thoubal College. A total of 558 students from various schools in the district participated in the competition, which was organized by Mission Transformation of Government Schools (MTGS). Speaking on the sidelines, DI of ZEO Zone 3 Thoubal, Asem Rebika, expressed belief that the competition will be quite beneficial to the students of government schools in their academic improvement and building confidence for facing competitive exams.
Exam mo to ba habi se angang sing da yam na kana na khale habi government gi angang sing se marui na makoi se any competitive exam thar ko matam da OMR system da tor ko habi se makoi da di tigi je anov experience ama angang sing da hojik tegi hona any competitive exam thar ko matam da OMR system je tambi ra ga di makoi da hayin tung da exam thar ko matam da ki da ba huloi ba habi do oi ba aduna Masido mateng pangi ba volunteer waja sing se hak na duki matik zero gi site gi thagat pa phongtok chari aim and objective of this exam je tai kaishu na tek makoi se je aina mang da panjagri ba education sida no enhance tong na gi da mata government aided school jingge aduga other private school jingge ka compete tor ko matam da makoi na sothar ga lei ba hai ta re ni ko adugi pose adugi gap to fill up tong na gi da makta
Women's Sub-Inspector Puritsabam Romibala of Jiribam District Police has been conferred the Kendriya Grihamantri Dakshata Parak 2025 in the field of criminal investigation. The award was instituted by the Union Home Ministry in February 2024 and is announced annually on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary, which falls on October 31st. According to Manipur Police, the award recognizes her exemplary investigation into the first information report (FIR) relating to the rape of a 22-year-old differently abled woman at Sonapur in Jiribam district, displaying exceptional professionalism, empathy, and dedication. The officer ensured a sensitive and thorough investigation by engaging sign language experts, collecting key forensic evidences, and securing DNA confirmation linking the accused to the crime. Her efforts led to the timely filling of a watertight charge sheet on June 27 of 2025, ensuring justice for the survivor. The Kendriya Grihamantri Dakshata Parak is a Union Home Ministry medal awarded to members of various Indian police, security and intelligence organizations for outstanding performance in operations, investigation, intelligence and forensic work. Kumbi Constituency MLA S. Prem Chandra dedicated newly installed floodlights at Kumbi Uchan Makhong playground to the locals during a function held today at the playground. The function was also attended by Vice Chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council Ward Number 1, Loitongbam Babita, Borayangbi Gram Panchayat Pradhan Thiam Romesh, BJP Kumbi Mandal President S. Angusana, and several elders of the locality. Speaking at the function, the MLA asserted that efforts are on to repair and blacktop the road stretch from Kumbi to Wangu, adding that the expansion of the roadside has already begun. He further appealed those women folk who announced to impose band on the road section to withdraw their decision and invited to discuss the matter together.
Lambi paktok matamda laibak thadadana laibak tu tawraga lolar taktana khotana lambi du kanna ba semdadana nungjau porage ta thaya braba lambi sebo natraga nongan we asi sema henwal koilas da hijan ba ya braba ngara ju khabar ipun na sidore khotore lambi sema di ipun khatok ta bane lekom khatok ta bane apabam tawse da koisi kyam wagi ge ipun kyam sa ge ge loji sema ka nungai re na sumaina nungai re ka done ba sumaina nungai na khona ba ji matam sange ba thabak am ta tawba ya de sai du gi nungal ga thabak to tawna sai ram ni na tammi na be thabak suning ma mayam de suning drem aina su tabu tawu mi aso tawu ji tokun phare hagal e ba adai mai sa khoi myam ji khara naktang war suwana khoi khandag da bani adu lambi ji soidana sem ningai gi khoi plan loi lai rabani adu akhoi gi ithai lambi hak lai je lambi ji photo ka pa ga social media da thagat padi mai pe ma kari ba hari khande lon se za za iraga adu gi sem ba haura di lambi sem ba haure nam su thagat lo adu di na te ba si mi khana na bane ba maram di ai budi tu one ai gi makha da lai bi sina o season mayam se moigu mi ngan ni mani onsan ra khana bangam me wani sai se rajniti masam tawraga leibak mang na bisinba leibak mang buji kaim nate akhoi masen lai ne akhoi myam tin usina de mangi.
Security forces have arrested 9 cadres belonging to various proscribed groups during operations conducted between October 31st and November 1. In one of the operations that was conducted on October 31st, security forces arrested a juvenile and 2 active cadres of proscribed RPF-PLA from different locations. The arrested persons are Wangkim Rishav alias Bihari, 22 years of age, of Changangay, Awang Lekay. He was arrested from Minutong under Imphal police station. The other arrested person is Poirei Sanayum Nam alias Poirei, 24 years of age, of Top Awang Lekay. In another operation that was conducted on October 31st, security forces arrested an active cadre of proscribed KCP PWG from Thongju Part 2 near Kono Kongnang under Singjamay police station. The arrested person is Urikimbam Malemngan Maitay alias Watemba, 31 years of age, of Jiribam Gulathon. Meanwhile, Manipur police arrested 1 active cadre of KCP Ibungo Ngangom in connection with explosion at Lamding Kuno under Lamsang police station. The arrested person is Ronaldo Maibam, 25 years of age, of Hianglam Awang Lekay under Kakching district. Police also seized a 4-wheeler Hyundai Centro from the arrested person. On the other hand, security forces arrested 1 cadre of proscribed Pripak from his residence at Kwakaitel Mayai Koibi Ningthaujam Lekay under Lamphel police station. The arrested person is Pebam Nikesh alias Nanao, 28 years of age. Security forces also arrested 1 active cadre of Pripak from Thanga Chingkha, Khwairakpam Lekay under Kaibullam Jao police station in Bisnupur district. The arrested person is Oinam Maipak Maitay, 48 years of age. Security forces arrested 2 cadres of proscribed RPF-PLA from their residences in Sagolband under Imphal West district. The arrested persons are Vishal Achom alias Nanao alias Momosana, 24 years of age, of Sagolband Moirang Lerak, and Maibam Rocky Singh alias Thembung, 38 years of age, of Sagolband Mabudhau Mantri Lekay under Imphal police station. Security forces also recovered 1.32 pistol along with a loaded magazine, 1 IED and a detonator, and 2 mobile handsets and 2 Aadhaar cards. Security forces recovered guns and warlike stores during search operation conducted at area between Luang Sanggol and Pailing villages under Saparmaina police station under Kangpokpi district yesterday. Security forces recovered 5 local-made bolt-action single-barrel guns, 11 cartridges, 2 Baofeng wireless sets, 3 pairs each of combat shoes and sneakers, 2 military belts and apparels comprising jackets and other combat dresses. Manipur police seized 480 cans of beer imported illegally without the payment of excise duty, amounting to around 72,000 rupees from Lengang Pokpi outpost, located about 15 kilometers from Jiribam District Police Headquarters. The beer cans were seized during routine frisking checking from an Imphal-bound truck, which was coming from Silchar yesterday. According to officials, a man along with the vehicle was detained for evading excise duty. An FIR has been lodged in the case at Jiribam Police Station under the Excise Act provisions for further legal action. Kuki Liberation Army led Kholun, KLAL, has reacted to the recent statement made by NSCN-IM Deputy Ato Kilonsar Lieutenant General V.S. Atem regarding Kuki's demand for separate administration, stating that it implies that the Kuki people's demand for a separate administration is confined to Churachandpur, thereby disregarding the historical and territorial complexities that underpin our claim. In a press release issued by its Secretary, Information and Publicity, Zalaimang Kuki, KLAL described the NSCN-IM Deputy Kilonsar's statement as a reductionist approach that not only distorts the narrative, but also has the potential to exacerbate the ongoing conflict in Manipur. It went on to maintain that the Kuki people's demand for a separate administration is rooted in the principle of territorial integrity and the right to self-determination. While stating that the KLAL or Kukis are willing to engage in a reciprocal dialogue in light of the proposed Greater Nagalim, wherein they would be open to including certain Tangkhul territories within the Kuki administration, it added that this gesture is contingent upon a mutual recognition of the Kuki ancestral claims. It also said that KLAL will not countenance any attempt to usurp our territorial rights in Ukhrul, Mao and Senapati districts. Second Foundation Day celebration of Unity and Progressive Cooperative Society UPCOS was held today at the Community Hall of Porompat Thawantha Balaikai, Imphal East. MPCC Sports Department Cell Chairman Wahengbam Rojit and UPCOS President Wangkhem Vikram Raj graced the function as main dignitaries. During the function, attendees expressed their desires to take more developmental works by UPCOS. A blood donation camp was also organized in collaboration with Babina Hospital, Kabaisoi, as part of the event. Uchiwa Students Welfare Club, Taibang Mapu VLF, Seva Bharati Manipur and National Medicos Organization Manipur jointly organized a free medical camp as part of Dhanvantri Rath Yatra at Uchiwa today. A total of 210 individuals availed health care services provided by cardiologist, medicine, surgery, ENT, eye, orthopedic, pediatric, gynecology, and dental health experts. Moving on to sports. Manipur bagged 8 bronze medals in the Wushu Sansho event at 69th National School Games, which concluded yesterday at Srinagar. H. Devjani, K. Waisna, K. Linda, L. Abenao, A. Sur, L. Victor, A. Yaifaba, and K. Wangling Nganba contributed 1 bronze medal each for the team. A. Sanatoy and T.H. Binapani were the team coaches, while Moirangthem Ronel was the team manager of the Manipur team. In the ongoing Jiribam cricket tournament, which is being organized by 156th Battalion of CRPF, HL Club Dibong team registered victory over Babupara Youth Development Association team. In the match that was played at Bidyanagar Sports Complex in Jiribam, Babupara Youth Development Association was put to bed first and were bowled out for 121 runs in 18 overs. In reply, HL Club Dibong chased down the target in 19.2 overs to win the match by 8 wickets. Now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphilpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 28 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 21.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 69% in the evening. Manipur received 5.2 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. And now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at headlines once again. Supreme Court to resume hearing on audio tape allegedly linked to ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren tomorrow. Imphal West DC Mayang Lambam Rajkumar says society will progress when students perform their tasks diligently. Mission Transformation of Government Schools organizes 4th MTGS competition 2025 for 2,694 students of government schools in Manipur. And Sub-Inspector Purit Sabam Romibala of Jiribam District Police conferred with Kendriya Griha Mantri Dakshata Padak 2025 in recognition of her contributions in criminal investigations. And that is all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.